Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Muhammad. Today we have 2006 Nissan Altima. You see that light there is red all the time. The problem is not that the car lost the key, but it lose programming. And when you program this key, it's supposed to flash that light. When you turn the ignition on and off, the light's supposed to, the light's supposed to when you turn the ignition on, the light's supposed to flash 5 times to accept the programming. It doesn't do that. The car will start sitting in programming mode, but as soon as you leave the ignition off for 5 or 6 minutes, you come back, the car will not start. What causing that? Let me show you now. I'm going to do auto scan because I need to program the first key. So when I program the key, the light will go off. When the light go off, you have to cycle it to flash 5 times. It doesn't do that at all. And also if you look at number of the key, rotary knob, like nothing. So what I'm going to do, I say all key lost, and then I will say okay. I'm going to program the key. You're going to see that light will go off. As soon as I do this, you see the light gone. But the problem is, he said turn the key off and on. This programming is done. He said turn the key off. When you turn it on, it's supposed to flash 5 times. You see nothing. I start the car. You're going to wait a little bit, you see the light come back again. The car is start, but the light come back again. What happened? What causing this? First, the aftermarket alarm. You see like remote start or aftermarket alarm. Most of the time, it causes this kind of issue. But mostly the antenna, if you have this kind of problem, please change the immobilizer antenna that is here. You take this one out, there is immobilizer antenna that take the information from the key and send it in. So change that one and the light will flash 5 times and the car will start. I'm gonna do that when I get the module from the dealer, like $130 something. Please do that one. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. This is a quick note, and this happened for all Nissan Altima, Maxima, 2005, 6, 7, 4, 2. Most of the time, if you have this issue, and even if you program it, the light come back again, or when you try to program it, it will not program, or if you turn the ignition on, the light disappear, and after 5 seconds or 15 seconds, the light come up, and you cannot program a key. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share and like. Thank you for visiting my channel. Muhammad Harun Idris.